Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Asana project templates for LinkedIn personal brand detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect Asana project templates to your LinkedIn personal brand, start by logging into your Asana account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the My Tasks section. Create a new project by selecting the Create Project button. Choose template from the project creation options. Browse through the available templates and select one that aligns with your branding goals. After selecting the template, customize it according to your specific needs. Add tasks that represent the key elements of your LinkedIn brand strategy. Organize tasks by creating sections for different components such as profile optimization, content creation, and networking. Set due dates for each task to ensure you stay on track. Assign the tasks to team members if you are collaborating with others. After organizing your project, navigate to the Share button. Copy the project link to share with anyone who needs access. Next, switch to your LinkedIn account in a new browser tab. Go to your LinkedIn profile page. In the Profile section that allows for featured content, look for the option to add links. Paste the Asana project link you copied earlier. Customize the title and description to effectively describe the purpose of the Asana project. Make sure the featured content aligns with your personal brand message. Save your changes and refresh your profile to see the updated link. Check that the link works correctly and redirects to your Asana project. Now your LinkedIn audience can access your Asana project, enhancing your personal brand visibility. Regularly update your Asana project as your branding strategy evolves. Keep your LinkedIn profile fresh with new insights and updates from your Asana project. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.